The Samsung Galaxy S23 series will have a free pre-order offer as a storage upgrade, as well as new render leaks for the S23 series cases. The Galaxy S23 series will experience a price increase, but pre-orders are here to help with the new official pre-order promotions. Samsung is selling a greater storage model for the price of a comparable storage model, which means that if you want to acquire the Galaxy S23 128GB variation, you will receive the 256GB version for the same price. If you want the Galaxy S23 Ultra, you can purchase the 512GB version with 12GB of RAM at the same price as the 256GB and 8GB versions. However, this new deal will only be available until February 16th, after which you will no longer be able to take advantage of it. Previously, we reported on photographs shot by the Galaxy S23 Ultra and uploaded on a Twitter account by an early user of the device. However, many of these posts have since been deleted, maybe as a result of a DMCA request from the manufacturer or the author willingly removing them. The cause for their removal is still unclear. As an alternative, the user's other social media accounts are now being watched for new posts. For example, Edwards has published the first video samples from the camera of the Galaxy S23 Ultra to his new YouTube account. The first video was even shot in the new 8K 30fps mode of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as previously reported on Twitter. However, all three videos on YouTube can only be seen in 4K 60fps. The Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will be introduced on February 1, 2023, during the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event in the United States. The upcoming phones are expected to deliver much faster performance, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 massive storage. Low light imaging and video quality have been improved, and the three upcoming phones may include an upgraded selfie camera capable of recording 4K 60fps HDR videos. Finally, what are your opinion about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.